When China was building the world's largest hydroelectric power station and they needed industrial vibrators, they didn't buy them in China, they bought them in Wyoming, Rhode Island, from Vibco, an American dragon utilizing the principles of fewer, faster, and finer to beat overseas competition and create U.S. manufacturing jobs. I'm Michael McKeldin-Woody. Let's take a look at this great place. I'm here with Karl Wadensten, the president of Vibco. By the way, Karl, love those dragon pants. Those are fantastic. Thank you.
These are the authentic American dragon pants.
All right, good job. Karl, what are industrial vibrators and what are they used for?
Industrial vibrators are for the compaction and handling of bulk material. They're used in over 615 different industries, from mining to pharmaceuticals to chemical production to plating of circuit boards, a whole variety of industries.
And you're shipping to companies all over the world and individuals all over the world, is that
We're
correct?
shipping to 32 different countries, 190,000 customers globally, and we're actually shipping into China. The strongest thing that we have here in the US for any US manufacturer is speed. Speed. Because speed, people don't have time to wait for products. So now if you can cut some of the cost out of your product, because there's a lot of waste in manufacturing in the US. We may not be priced like a commodity product, but the delta difference will be so small, and then you add speed on top of that, it's worth the investment in buying US product.
I'm standing here in the reception area of Vibco, and it's like no reception area I've ever seen. I'm here with Diamond, with Eric, and Eric, I noticed that there are 6 computer screens here in this reception area.
It's non-stop. We have actually 12 phone lines that ring into our switchboard here. We handle every call from around the world that is our customer base. So at that same time that we have them on the phone, we are determining who is available, who handles those specific needs, who to get the customer over to. And we do this all within 15 to 25 seconds at the maximum.
I'm here in Vibco's customer service area with Giovanni Luzzi. And Giovanni, I saw something very interesting when I looked at this quote. I noticed that you're not only quoting a particular product, but I saw some other products below at the bottom of the quote. Can you tell me what those products are about?
What you saw there was an example of a quote we sent out to a customer. They asked for a particular model number, and that's all they asked for. That particular time they called it. What we did to the quotes is we've added optional accessories that they may not be aware of that Vibco can offer, along with the vibrator that they asked for pricing on.
Wow. So this is like if I go on Amazon.com and I order a book, and they tell me people who ordered this book have also ordered this book and this book and this book. So that's basically the same process that you're using here.
Exactly.
In a manufacturing environment.
Exactly.
Wow, that's a finer customer experience.
Yeah.
Thank you, Giovanni.
You're welcome.
Good work.
Thank you.
If you're going to be an American Dragon, you got to concentrate on fewer. The fewer principle. That means smaller runs, a more customized product. And interestingly enough, what I discovered here at Vibco is one of the ways they do it, one of the ways that has allowed them to make fewer products, smaller, shorter runs, is shortening their setup times. And here's John Goodwin. John, how are you able to do that? How did actually shortening your setup times allow you to create shorter production runs?
So the philosophy was, it takes a long time to set this up, so let's do a lot while we have it set up. So we may do 250 pieces when we only need 50 for the next 3 weeks. So we would not have another part come off of that till those 250 were done, and then we can move on to
speed, key to success if you're competing against foreign competition. I'm here with Dave Weldeck, and Dave, it looks like your team back there is doing custom welding. Can you tell me more about that?
Yeah, we do a variety of applications to make our product fit appropriately and match all the appropriate areas in the field.
I see. So the industrial vibrator becomes a match for the custom mount that you're creating back there.
Correct.
And why is it important that industrial vibrator, though, have a custom mount?
The mount is very important to make sure our equipment operates properly in the field. If it's mounted incorrectly, then you're going to have a lot of failures with the equipment.
So if I order an industrial vibrator from overseas, but I don't order from Vibco and get a custom mount, that vibrator may fail.
Chances are you're going to have a lot of problems.
There's a finer tip. You put together a dynamite team here. Is there any secret to that?
No, when you put together a team like this, you really have to have the Braveheart, the Mel Gibson cry. You have to have the war paint on. Everybody needs to know that we're doing this for the customer. The customer is what keeps the paychecks for everybody, including myself. And when we all have that focus, that's when you really make profound impact.
So if you're going to create a finer company, it starts from the top. Thanks again to Karl Wadensten and all the folks at Vibco for showing us what a great job they do as an American Dragon that uses the principles of fewer, faster, and finer to beat overseas competition and create U.S. manufacturing jobs. To learn more, go to our website at www.americandragon.us.